Hey, how's it going everybody? I'm back at you with a new video. Now, you guys have been asking for this, so I'm gonna deliver. Today, we're gonna be installing a performance air filter on my Suzuki GS500. So hang around, check it out. Oh, and one more thing. This is going to be a how-to video, so by the end of this, you should know how to change your air filter, your OEM air filter, or at least be able to install this K&N Aftermarket air filter that I'm gonna install. All right, let's get to it. Alright, so depending on how you do this job, these are the tools that you are going to need. You're going to need needle nose pliers, 12mm socket and wrench, 8mm socket and wrench, a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, flathead, and a size 5 hex bit. And of course, you're going to need your new air filter. Alright, let's hop over to the bike and start tearing it down. Alright, first off, you want to remove your seat. Now, this process is going to vary a little bit depending on which Suzuki GS500 you have. Mine is the GS500 from 2002. I've seen others where the GS500E, you have to remove the entire rear fairing. On this Suzuki you don't have to, so we're lucky there. Okay, next take your 12mm socket and wrench and remove the bolts holding your gas tank on. Okay, with those bolts out, go ahead and take your gas tank and pull it back to release it from the frame and lift up. Alright, with your gas tank petcock valve turned into the off position, you can now take your needle nose pliers and remove the fuel lines from the valve. Alright, so back for you OEM boys. Simply remove these 4 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull out the old air filter and replace it with your new one. Pull this out, put your new one in, should be good to go. Then reinstall everything in the order that you took it off. You take a Phillips bit and you put it on a ratchet and you'll be able to get to the screws that are holding on the air box to the carburetors. Alright, there we go, that's loose enough. One last thing, we need to disconnect this hose for the PCV system. And I got an idea on how we're going to manage this later on, so I'll show you guys. Alright, thank you for watching this install video of my new air filter on my Suzuki GS500. Hopefully you guys have learned something too, and you can start modifying your bike as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.